Welcome back, my dear students. In this lecture here, we're going to be working on that orders page. But before we do that, we also need to make a couple of more reusable pieces for our admin area. Like, for example, the top navigation, right? And the left navigation. We don't have that yet. Well, we do have them, but they're not dynamic. So let's go ahead and make that and try to make that page also, right? All right. So right now, our navigation is inside admin header and the header. All right, as you can see right here, we have our navigation. We have the top navigation. This is the first one here. All right, this is the right navigation. This is the top left navigation. I'll show you right now where I am. That looks like the top navigation. It says SB admin, and then we have the logout right here. All right, so this is the top right here. We're gonna take that off and make it as top, and then we have the side navigation right here. All right, and we're gonna actually do it right here. We're gonna include that. All right, so let's go ahead and do that right now. Let's have a top navigation and a side navigation. So let's take this out. This would be the top items. Actually, I don't want to take the comment. I want to take this thing out here, make a little space, and then go to back and say top nav.php. You can name it top admin nav, just you don't get confused. All right, and we're gonna paste it in there. All right, now here we need to write that path down. Let's go and get some of this here, paste it right here, and then I'm gonna say top nav. You see how easy this is getting once we have a constant with the address, right, with the path. Beautiful, right? All right, so now we got the top items, and I think this was part of the top item, so I'm just gonna go and also take this. Oops, let's go to top nav here, just put it in there also. All right, so that's gonna take care of that. Now we need to take care of the sidebars. Command X, and let's go here and do a save as real quick. Save as side nav, and I'm just gonna delete everything here and paste it, whatever we had on the computer keyboard memory, computer memory, right? All right, so let's go to header, copy this. I'm gonna put it right below this comment, and I'm gonna say side nav here. All right, we should be good to go. There shouldn't be any mistakes. Enter. Perfect. So now everything's working good the way it's supposed to work, right? And this could be a comment here saying something like top items, whatever, you know, just to make sure that you have the top items there, or it's up to you how you want to comment that out. All right, so the orders page, what are we going to do with that? Well, let's go to index here, and we have a pretty good template here, right? Pretty good template. So let's just do a save as and call this orders. Oops, we already have an order actually. As a matter of fact, I already included that for you there. Beautiful. We have an orders page there. We don't even have to deal with this. And beautiful. So let's look at the orders page. All we have to do is here is modify this. All right. Beautiful. From the page wrapper, we'll take that out, all of it, and copy everything that we got here on index, paste it in there. What else we got? From the page wrapper, I think we got a page wrapper here. Yep, we'll take this out and we'll copy the footer. Wow, it was already there. Look, I made things a lot easier for you, right? Beautiful. We don't have to create the whole thing from scratch. All right, so now we can go to our orders page. Orders.php. Look at that. We got an orders page. Yay! All right, perfect. So let's go ahead and do a real fast here if statement here, and we're gonna say if is set get, and we're gonna say orders. If that's set, then we want to include a page. All right, we should keep those modular pieces in the back area, by the way. We shouldn't keep this here. So we're gonna transfer that over there. Orders.php. All right, so let's go ahead and move that from our ecom, from our public admin. We got to move that to our back, all right, to our resources. So I'm just gonna copy it from there, go to resources, templates, back, and paste it in there. All right, I'm gonna go back and erase it from admin. So I just deleted it from my admin. All right, so if we get this get request orders, then we'll show that page. Right now, let's go ahead and make sure that we have that link on the side nav right here, and we'll just create another link here right below this one here, and we're gonna say this one is orders. We'll take the active class out, and here we'll send in this to actually the index with a parameter of orders, and that's it. We should be good to go. Let's check it out. We're gonna refresh here, take that out, refresh, and when we click orders, then we go to that page. Beautiful. But then we have a little issue here that we need to correct, and the issue will be, and I'll show you right now, is that we shouldn't include page. We have page container and page wrapper. We have all that, so we shouldn't actually include that. So because we already have it here. So let's take it out from here. All we need here is the actual code. There we go. There we go. Perfect. Come back here, enter. Oops, that doesn't fit anything. Let's go and check it out again. Make sure that you are saving this stuff here. Sometimes that happens to me. Let's do a inspect element on it. I know this lecture is going a little far away. You can see that the wrapper is causing this problem here. It's like I have two wrappers, one in that page you see that page wrapper is creating this problem. All right, let's go back here and let's see where index page header. Nope, that is not creating that problem. It's got to be my browser, my cookies or something there. I'm just gonna delete the cookies, and I'll show you in a minute right now. When something like that is happening to you, make sure that you, all right, cookies, All right. All right, we're gonna actually leave this lecture alone, and then on the next lecture we'll debug it a little more. All right. All right. Thanks, and I'll see you then.